What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Shiprocket with Shopify. Now first thing you should do is to open your Shiprocket and log in into your account. Then what you should do right now is to click on channels on the left side, then go and click on all channels. Then go up to the right corner and choose add new channel. Then it will show you this page right here, and now you should select Shopify. Click on integrate right here. Then what you should do right now is to simply copy and paste the store URL here in this box. And after pasting the URL, you should now click on connect to Shopify. Now it will jump you directly to your Shopify account or Shopify store, and now you should click on install app right here. And now you have, and it will open this page, and now you have to do some modifications and change some settings in this page. You can add the brand logo, you can change the channel ID, channel name, communication brand name, and so on. But now you have to scroll down till you find this option right here, sync option. You will find it under pull order statuses partition. So click on it in order to enable it. Then you should type here in the status to fetch, you should type unshipped unfulfilled as shown right here. Now scroll down again, and here as you can see we have this partition, push order statuses. Click on the enable button below it. Then now it will open all these settings as you can see. Now you have to change these three settings: cancelled, shipped, delivered. Now you should make this cancelled option, make it cancelled. As you can see, this cancelled option, make it cancelled, and the shipped option, make it in transit. And for the delivered, choose delivered from this box right here. Then scroll down again, and here in the map payment statuses, you should enable this option right here. And after that, in the code box, you should type here payment pending. Then below here in this box, you should type paid. Now right below it, you can find here this partition, push paid status to your channel. Just click on the enable button below it. And last option that you should turn on is the inventory sync option. Below the inventory section, enable this sync option right here. And finally, scroll down and click on this button right here, update channel and test connection. And now it will show you in this page right here that now you have Shopify connected to Shiprocket. And now all your store orders will be fetched to the Shiprocket dashboard, and you can fulfill them right from the Shiprocket dashboard. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.